Leg pain after 50. These 3 vitamins could be making it worse. What you should take instead. Are your daily vitamins silently causing leg pain, tingling, or weakness? You're not alone, and what I'm about to share could change your health over 50. As we age, our body processes vitamins differently. Some nutrients can actually build up to toxic levels, damaging your nerves and muscles. Vitamin number 1. Vitamin B6. The nerve number explain how excess B6 can damage peripheral nerves. Mention symptoms: burning, tingling, balance issues. Safer alternatives. B complex from whole foods. B6 via chickpeas, bananas, potatoes. Vitamin number 2. Vitamin A, the silent strength stealer. Discuss how fat-soluble A builds up in the liver, can lead to bone thinning, muscle weakness. Natural swaps. Sweet potatoes, carrots in moderation. Vitamin number 3. Vitamin E. Over-supplemented antioxidant. Too much vitamin E can interfere with muscle coordination, dizziness, leg cramps. Use food-based E, sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach. The bigger picture: what's really affecting your legs? Mention inactivity, circulation, diabetes, or neuropathy. Encourage walking, stretching, and light strength training. What you can do instead: empowering tips. Choose multivitamins with balanced doses. Work with a doctor or nutritionist. Consider safer brands or natural food sources. Community engagement. Drop a comment below. Which of these vitamins surprised you the most? Are you taking any of them? If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share with someone you love over 50. Let's stay strong and independent together. Bonus idea: offer a downloadable checklist. Top 5 safe vitamins for seniors over 50. Add a link in the description or email opt-in.